crazy now how it is. It's crazy nowadays that like it's crazy nowadays.
Don't you hate when some bum keeps interrupting? Even dogs know you got some serious problems. Guess he put a little stink on that one. Stopped eating just to concentrate.
Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. They're coming over here. Hi, how can I help you?
She really laid down the law.
I just let out a long, silent fart. What should I do?
You should change the battery in your hearing aid.